What's up, y'all? I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right in and let y'all know, disclaimer, I was not really happy during this video. I was having an okay day until somebody pissed me off. No, it wasn't Michael, but Michael was there when I was doing my makeup. So in the video, you can see me making faces and talking because I'm telling him the story. But yeah, the person who pissed me off that day really was about to get it. So I just decided to go ahead and finish my video because I was supposed to have been done it earlier that day and I had just got started, which also pissed me off. So if y'all see me making crazy faces, I'm sorry. It was a rough day. It was so rough to the point where I totally forgot what I was doing, what design I was doing. It was just straight up freestyle. I didn't even know what color I was going for. It didn't look like nothing. My outfit, I was all over the place. So just giving y'all a heads up. Don't mind my face. I was mad, okay? So as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera and I used the concealer for my eyebrows and brought it down to my eyelid just to kind of make my eyeshadow pop.
There's something about you that's got me going insane. Don't know what it is that's got me feeling this way. You're saying that you love me, boy, you must be crazy. You probably like them other niggas that try to play me. What makes you so different from them? What makes you worthy of me? To have you in my life, like you deserve me. To have you in my life, like you deserve me. To have you in my life, like you deserve me. Mama. What you want from me? To be good to me and I'll be good to you.
Now I'm using the lightest concealer that I have. It's almost a white color. And I'm going to put that on top of my eyelid, starting in the corner and doing like a oval, supposed to be an oval shape, but yeah.
Where is he, the man that is made for me? I know there's someone out there, I swear. I want someone that's just my type. Someone I'll never dim my light. Someone that likes the things I like. Someone that can hold me down. I'm not looking for no perfect guy. I'm just looking for my Mr. Right. You know the kind that would open your door.
So I went back and added another layer of concealer on top of it because as you can see, the color started to change from like a more white color to a lighter pink. I'm learning every time I do my makeup, so I'm gonna start buying more pigments to put on top of my shadow instead of using concealer. So I started to like how the fade went from dark pink to a lighter pink with the concealer. So I went ahead and just added a lighter shade of pink eyeshadow on top of that concealer. So remember I told y'all I was kind of pissed off. So I immediately started moving to the next part instead of finishing my other eye because I kind of wanted to see where this look was going. I wanted to do the exact same replica from one side to the other.
somebody that's faithful to me. Show me love, affection, trustability.
And then whenever you have different colors, you want to get a clean brush and just go ahead and blend those colors out so it doesn't look so harsh. Now, y'all, my eye wing wasn't too bad this time. I one-handed that thing. Okay, spoke too soon. I messed up on one side, but it's okay because it's nothing but a little concealer that's gonna fix that. Oh, 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 wow, I can't even do it anymore. Oh,
You saying that you really wanna be with me. Cut the games, baby, all that talk is cheap. I need action, there ain't really time to speak. You say you want me, can you be the man I need? No, no, no,
so another thing that I learned, to make a little bit of color pop under the eye, you want to get white eyeshadow and just kind of go under the waterline really faint, and then whatever color you want to put on top, it'll just kind of brighten it up.
I'll be good to you if you were good to me. I'll take care of you. No, 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 no.
Now, y'all already know I had to put my lashes on off camera or we will be here all day, okay? At this point, I started freestyling because I still wasn't satisfied with my look. So I decided to put some eyelash glue on the top of my eyelid and under my waterline so I can add some glitter.
I think it's best that we go our separate ways. There's nothing here for us anymore. There's nothing to discuss, but you won't let things go. No, no, no.
Y'all, I was so thrown off my game. I completely forgot to record this process, but this is something everybody should know. I'm using the concealer as a foundation, and I'm just going under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, and the corners of my mouth. Y'all can see it in my face. I just look over it at this point.
You wanna work on us, you wanna work on us, but there's not even trust. You saying you're gonna change, but remain the same. I don't know what you want, but I know what I deserve. I deserve someone who knows my worth. In time, maybe we can be together and last forever. But for now, I think it's best we don't see each other. Probably not ever, yeah. Remember when you said that you just wanna take things slow. And remember when you said I was the only one for you. So how can you go out and find somebody else when I give you everything you wanted? And now you're tryna come back, come back, come back to me, begging me to take you back after everything you've done to me. Just let it be, just let me breathe. We shouldn't speak no more. Just let it be, just let me breathe. We shouldn't speak no more. I don't want your love. I don't want your love no more. I don't want your love.
I went back and contoured my nose with a more darker brown. Ladies, if you don't like your look, you can adjust it. Don't be afraid or think that it's messed up completely. You can clean up anything you mess up.
But for now,
I had literally just gotten eyelash glue all over my eyeshadow when I was putting on my lashes. If something like that ever happens, you gotta stay confident in yourself and believe in yourself that you can clean it up and you can fix it. Don't give up. People will just say, oh my God, I messed it up, I'm about to stop. No, keep going, because if you don't believe in yourself, who will? Another thing that I like to remember is a lot of people don't know what look you were going for. So if you do mess up and it's not exactly what you were going for, people don't know that. They think you did that on purpose. So make that thing look good. Make everything you do look good. Okay, so now I'm adding some setting powder. And I'm using some foundation powder to brush away the baking powder. Now I'm just topping it off with my blush. I like this palette from Juvia's Place because it's not just one pink shade. They have different shades of blushes. So it's just something about that dark lip liner that makes those lips pop, okay? It gives it a natural full look. I love dark lip liner. Don't use black, ladies. Dark brown is the color. Now, if you know, you know, this is my go-to nude pink color. I took this lipstick from my mama. So, I don't know where she got it from, but I think it says NYX on the tube. And then I'm just cleaning the corners of my mouth to smooth everything out. Spraying some setting spray. So here's the finished look, ladies. It definitely came out a lot better than I expected. So that's why I always tell you guys to stay confident, trust the process, and believe in yourself, because you never know how the outcome will be.
Bring it back. Crook Ramsey.